Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Safari Clear History button gray out on iPhone iOS 18. So look here, this is a gray out. Now I'm providing a very simple method and 100% working solution. So do that. Go out and open iPhone settings again. To scroll down, click on to screen time. Scroll down, click on this option, choose the third option, scroll down, click on to select the first option, okay, and then go back, open iPhone settings again, scroll down, click on to apps to find Safari apps, click on, scroll down, look here, then showing you to this option and enable this. Just click on to select all history or last hour, today and yesterday to clear history. So that's it. That's how we can easily fix this problem.